Good morning, Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It is Tuesday morning at about 4:08 on 10/22/2024. Well, got over to the bank, got my money in the bank, and when it posted through, I hauled off and did got my payment to my credit card going, so yay, less debt. Got to get that stuff taken care of. Everything I can get right now needs to go toward getting my debt paid off. I don't know about you, but trying to live with debt, that just drains a person. I do mean seriously, it drains you. And, well, I've got to the point that I understand that being drained by debt is not good, so I'm trying to get out of it. Probably shouldn't have got there in the first place, but hey, sometimes things just happen. But that's okay. But yeah, trying to get things figured out and cover it. Wondering where my paycheck has gone, because it hasn't showed up yet. I don't know. It is what it is. But I got, I got several things taken care of. Irritated with the pharmacy, though. All these things were supposed to be taken care of. I've had to go on, I got over there and got some took care of on Friday. I got some took care of Monday, yesterday. And I got to go back here and do it again today on Tuesday because they're just dragging everything out. Apparently, a couple of my meds weren't available. Quite honestly, I'm quite tempted to just stop taking all of it. I'm tired of taking pills. It's blood pressure, and that's not good to just not want to take the medicine. But good Lord, they got me on 3 different ones just for blood pressure. But hey, it's rock steady and running along real good. The other day I took it and it was 110/70. So yeah, beats the wide world of sports out of 160 over 148. Yeah, that's not good. 12 points between the high and the low. But yeah, I've worked on trying to get things taken care of since then, and my doctor's worked with me, and we got a bunch of things took care of, so yay. But I think we're going to be done with the statin. The numbers were good, and they were just a little high with no statin, and right on with the statin. And statin was causing cramps and such, so I'm rid of that thing. Got tired of hurting. Better things to do in life than ache because of taking medicine. I don't know about you, but I don't like that. I don't like taking medicine, period. But, well, I'm supposed to be an adult. Well, somebody says we are supposed to be adults. Yeah. The guy squalling on the meme. I don't want... I need an adult. You are an adult. You're 32. You're an adult. Well, I need an adultier adult. I thought that was cute. It's a good one. But yeah, some days I do understand that all too well. Oh. Apparently, something is wrong with my phone. Because it was about a week ago, Monday or Tuesday last week, I was going up and down the stairs and dropped my phone, and it went between floors and down to the bottom from the top. Not advisable, because apparently that caused my my phone to be, how should we say, the sensor is out on it for the motion sensor, G sensor, whatever they call it. But I got a friend said to come by and he'd see if he could do something with it. He thinks it's been knocked out of calibration. I'm like, how the hell do you do that? I mean, seriously, how do you... But I guess phones were never designed to get dropped from the third floor to the first floor, bouncing down the stairs on the way down. Yeah. Because the numbers just don't seem to change. I walked all the way around the building twice, and it was 100. Yeah, there's more than 100 just on the one side, on the lengthways. So, yeah, something's wrong. That was, like I said, I was mentioning that, and he said he'd take a look at it. So apparently I got a place to go on Wednesday. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. It is what it is. But it didn't break the screen or anything. It just apparently too many bounces on the way down. I don't know. But it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, trying to get the bills paid off. Get to go to the market or the grocery store for the pharmacy again. And yesterday after I got back, I actually sat down and kind of ate healthy. I did a package of ramen noodles, but on top of that I pan fried a couple of small pieces of tuna steak, and I chopped up a bunch of onion and bell peppers and mushrooms and sauteed them, and yeah, that was good. I want to go catch one of them big tunas. I'm hungry. I want to go catch some fish. Yeah. High Plains Desert. We have sun-dried, sun-baked, sunfish baked. There ain't no big fish around here. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to go and try to get a couple more wraps around the building, get this posted. Try not to forget to get it posted. There's been a couple times I've hit the upload button and filled out the information and forgot it and didn't put it as public, left it as unlisted. Yeah. They say you're supposed to leave it as unlisted so that it finishes processing, so that you get a better, higher quality. When it does go out, it's a higher quality. So I've been trying to do that. Problem is, sometimes I forget to, publish. So I'm having fun with that area. It is what it is. Anyway, hope to get a few more of my guns sold off at the pawn shop. Well, not the pawn shop, but the gun shop. And I've been thinking about carrying a couple of my other ones over and trying another place and seeing if they can do a consignment on it. Spread them out over a couple of them and see. But yeah, got my money in there to the bank and trying to get these credit card stuff taken care of. I'm ready to go. I just want out of here and gone. I'm ready to retire. Anyway, I hope everybody's had a blessed day. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. a lot of good food for you and a peaceful, easy week. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.